Hello, this is Chuck Underwood, and welcome to Brand New Vegan, where today I'm making one of my absolute favorite recipes ever. My best damn vegan chili. And I say that, I'm not trying to brag, but it's won awards, folks. Lots and lots of awards. At least I've lost count, 4 or 5 awards now for Chili Cookoffs all over the country. So you might want to try it. It's good. Here we go. So I'm going to take a whole onion and just give it a quick chop. Kind of like that. Throw that in a big old pan. Now, this is kind of funny. I just wanted to show you with this how I cut my red peppers, any of my bell peppers. They're so easy to cut. And what I didn't realize is while I was doing this, I was going to get photobombed by my 5-year-old grandson. I had no idea he was even in this video until I played his back the night after I cooked the chili and took the video shots. I was playing it back, watching, and all of a sudden these little feet pop in. So yeah, you're going to see a guest appearance here in just a second. And he's cute. And he loved it. Oh, here he comes. I guess he had a Cheerio stuck to his lip and he wanted to look in the reflection of the stove and see it for himself. All right. Thank you, Jordan. So now we got a green pepper. We're going to chop that up too. So we got a whole onion, a whole red pepper, a whole green pepper. Toss all that in a big Dutch oven or a big cooking pan. Now we don't use oil, remember. So we're going to add just a little splash of low sodium veggie broth. Just enough to wet the bottom, keep it from sticking. And we're going to simmer that until it's nice and softened. Now for garlic, I just want to show you how I peel my garlic. Just give it a smack like that. Paper falls right off. So easy. And there's a little stem or bud end of that garlic I always cut off too. Hate that part. Yeah, just give it a smack with your knife, carefully. The paper just falls right off. Peeling garlic is not hard. I could probably fast forward this part, huh? Boring! Okay, one more. So I got 3 cloves of garlic here. Alright, we're going to give this a quick chop. Now when I do my fine mincing, I use that point end of the knife on the cutting board, hold it steady, and just raise the back end up and down. Yeah, it makes a quick job of the mincing. So in goes the garlic. Onion, a couple of peppers, some garlic. Give that a stir. Smelling incredible already. Now that is bulgur. Don't have to use it. I did. It makes it a crumble, like a hamburger crumble. Can't taste it at all. Just adds texture. There's other things you can add besides bulgur, and I'll add that in my recipe notes. Got a can of tomatoes. Normally I use fire roasted. All I had on hand was the Rotel. That'll work fine. That's a no salt tomato sauce. Little 8-ounce can. Stir that in. A couple cups of that low sodium veggie broth for our liquid. Give that a stir. Now the spices coming up, I'll have the entire list of ingredients in my recipe on the blog. You can find those there. And I just wanted to show right here. Yes, folks, that is a 1/4 cup of chili powder. Everybody asks me that question. Are you sure? 1/4 cup? Yes, 1/4 cup. Give that a quick stir. Now that is a 1/2 can of refried beans. It thickens the chili. Adds a little bit more protein for all you protein fanatics. And adds some nice texture and a little bit of flavor. I like my jalapenos. You can leave those out. I love them. About 2 tablespoons worth there. Give that a stir. It's looking like chili. Here come the beans. Now those are rinsed and drained pintos. The kidney beans, that was 50% less sodium. I did not drain those. Now this is the masa flour you guys have seen me talk about. It's a great thickener. You don't have to stir it with water. I think that's how I say it in the recipe. I just sprinkled on top. And there you go. There is chili. So easy. So good. Award-winning. Did I say that? Yeah. Pair this up with some crusty bread, maybe some cornbread, some biscuits, and oh boy, this is good. Hope you like it, and as always, leave those comments. Love to hear from you. And until next week, this is Chuck Underwood, and you've been watching Brand New Vegan.